butter safely. Good evening, I'm Dick Brennan.
And I'm Christine Johnson. Luigi Mangione, the man accused of killing UnitedHealthcare's CEO, returned to court for the first time in nearly 2 months this afternoon.
Prosecutors and defense attorneys argued over evidence in front of a packed courtroom that included Mangione's supporters. Bauman has been covering the story every step of the way and was in court today. She joins us live outside the courthouse in Lower Manhattan. Allie.
Dick and Christine, today's court appearance was a pretrial status update in which state prosecutors laid out some of the evidence that they've submitted, including surveillance videos and forensic tests. But Luigi Mangione's defense attorney expressed concern that she has not received the bulk of it, which she said may be infringing on his right to a fair trial. Luigi Mangione was walked into a Manhattan courtroom Friday, clean-shaven, his white collar and green sweater poking out beneath a bulletproof vest. The 26-year-old sat attentively in the courtroom. His defense attorney asked if the shackles on his hands and feet could be removed for the hearing, calling him, quote, a model prisoner. But the judge denied her request.
When I go visit Luigi at MDC in Brooklyn, I sit with him. He is unshackled. He walks around freely in the visiting area. We sit in a room together without law enforcement hovering over us. But for whatever reason, here, despite all the law enforcement, they need him to be wearing this vest.
This is Mangione's first court appearance in nearly 2 months when he pleaded not guilty to the 11 state charges against him, including first-degree murder and furtherance of terrorism. The Ivy League grad is accused of assassinating UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson outside a Midtown hotel in December. Thompson was a husband and father of 2 from Minnesota. Mangione also faces federal murder charges, which could make him eligible for the death penalty. Prosecutors have alleged Mangione was driven by anger at the health insurance industry. An investigator said he had a notebook with him when he was arrested in Pennsylvania, detailing his plans. But in court Friday, his defense attorney claimed she had not received that nor other crucial pieces of evidence from the prosecution.
Luigi's right to a fair trial is being infringed upon because he is being publicly treated as guilty and as having the presumption of guilt as opposed to the presumption of innocence, which is what he is entitled to.
Supporters of the suspect chanted for his release throughout the hearing, so loud at times they could be heard from inside the courtroom. Well, about 100 members of the public waited in the halls for hours, hoping to get a seat in that courtroom. 19 of them ultimately did, and some smiled at Mangione as he walked in and out of the courtroom. His next appearance is going to be in federal court on March 19th. We're live outside the Manhattan Criminal Courthouse. Allie Bauman, CBS News, New York.
Allie, thank you.